Are you manifesting people calling you when you think about them, or getting a pay raise at work because you thought you wanted a pay raise and you manifested a pay raise? Are those coincidences? Are those real things that are happening because the law of vibration and the law of attraction? Let's get down to the dirty business about whether or not this is all coincidental, hocus pocus, mumbo jumbo, or if it's really something that you're creating on your own. My name's Steven. This is New Thinking, New Life. I do videos almost every single day on a regular basis, so you should subscribe to my channel and click the links in the description below for some good free stuff that you might like. So let's see. Somebody yesterday asked me in my video comments, which you can go check that out. It's about the 55-5 manifestation technique, whether or not these things are coincidental. They called it spiritual, for lack of a better term. I don't know if it's spiritual or if it's vibrational energy they meant. So, for example, you think of some person and they call you. Or, for example, you're at a job, you have superiors that dictate your pay. You think about getting your raise, you get a better pay rate at your job. Well, let's look at the first example. The first example, I'm actually going to flip it around. Let's at the second example, because I think I can set a better example than the second example. You're thinking about, you want a pay raise at work. I want more money. I want more money. You're focusing, you're manifesting. And when you say, I want more money, that's not manifesting, that's daydreaming. So let's say you are making $10 an hour at work and you start manifesting, I make $15 at my job. And you manifest it and you work hard at it. So this is what you want. And before you know it, a couple of weeks or months later, they offer you a pay raise and a promotion and you're making $15. Did you just coincidentally have that happen to you? Here's what I think might be happening in that case for a lot of people. When you focus on manifesting something, when you focus really hard on something that you want to have happen and come to you in your life, you will subconsciously create scenarios that make those results happen. And I've said this before on my website. Click the link description below to browse my site. I've said before what happens. It's very simple. This is taught by a lot of people. Your conscious thoughts feed into your subconscious mind, which gives you the actions that your body takes in order to create the results that you want. In this case, the result you wanted was to move from a $10 an hour pay raise to a $15 an hour pay raise. So you performed better because you gave your body a command that you were worth that. And you performed better, and the people that pay you money noticed that. And they said, we should give this person a promotion to retain this person. And they gave you a better job and a better pay rate. But you didn't see all those different steps in between because the conscious focus was over here on $15 an hour. The subconscious mind got a command. The body dictated the results. The result was you got what you wanted. Now, that's not a coincidence. Now, wishing and wanting and daydreaming, and I did an article on this, that's not the same. Daydreaming is just sitting there, and I'll make a whole video on this, so you should subscribe to this channel, is just sitting there and going off into Never Land and going, oh, it would be so nice if I made more money and I would spend my money this way and la la la. That's not what you want to do. Let's take a look at the second example though. Whether or not you can manifest a person calling you or contacting you or texting you or whatevering you just by thinking about that person. Now, this is something that some people that teach about vibrational energy, and I mean, there's physicists like Bruce Lipton, and you should definitely check out his book. I'll put a link in the description of this video to his book, The Biology of Belief, and some of his work is pretty out there. Whether or not your thoughts are vibrational energy is not even a debatable thing. We've proven we've proven thoughts are actually energetic wavelengths that come out of your mind and emanate off of you. That's why you get a vibe off of some people. Whether or not, though, your thoughts can go across hundreds or dozens of thousands of kilometers or miles and hit a person and come back to you, that's a different thing altogether. So what's really at play here? I don't know. I'm not going to tell you that, yeah, you can just like go and meditate on it and somebody will contact you, because that's not always the case. But maybe you're doing things inadvertently that are helping that happen. Maybe you're thinking about Cindy. Just a random name. I don't know any Cindys. Cindy over here is not thinking of you, but you talk to your friend Mike, who also knows Cindy. Hey, I was thinking about Cindy and how great of a lady she is and how she makes the best pumpkin pie in the holiday season. This guy here contacts her, she contacts you. You don't even realize you were really talking about this person over here, but she then hears it from him, contacts you. Is that what's happening? I don't know. But I think that, again, going back to the first example, when we consciously focus on a thing, we subconsciously feed a command to the body. Our actions then flow out of us, and then we get that person coming back to us in our life. So I guess that's just, there's not much actionable stuff here. I like to make videos that have like, you can do this to do that, do A to get B to get C. That's what I'm all about. But I think it's interesting to think about the ideas and the theories about why you're getting the results, why these things are happening to you. But I want to know what you think. What do you think? Do you think that if you sit hard enough and meditate on it, or just think about it, you can just go boom, 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 and things will just come to you? Or do you really think that you have to create the conscious thought to feed the subconscious mind to give the actions to dictate the results? It's up to you what you think. I'm not going to tell you you're right or you're wrong if it's working for you, but if it's not working for you, maybe you should take a look at some other avenues. Well, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed that one. I'm going to post a lot more videos, so subscribe to this channel. If you made it all the way through, thank you so much. Give me a like. If you're just passing through and you're not a subscriber yet, consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you guys in another video, and be awesome out there, whatever you do. Bye-bye, everybody.